Hey, we are conducting face to face Zoom classes for free on Zoom for coding, and it's just for you guys. Want to know where, how, when, what will be taught, everything, all these questions would be answered in this video, so watch the video till the end. When it's going to held? On weekends. Why have we chosen this day? Because mostly on Monday to Friday we are busy with our own schedule. I know. But on Saturday and Sunday we all are free because on Monday to Friday either we have school lessons, college lessons or office days, and Saturday Sunday there's a free timing. We get free. So that is why we have chosen that day so that you can practice much and you can interact with us a lot. Timings. See, normally the time slot which we have chosen is 4 to 5 pm. But in case you are not free at the slot, then we will adjust the timing according to you. Now, how will you tell us that we are not suitable? I mean, we are not able to join the class at this particular slot. It's very simple, guys. Just watch the video till the end because we will tell you that how will you contact us regarding these queries. On which platform? On Zoom. Can we ask our doubts in the classes by mic? Yes, of course. Anytime. Just turn on your mic and use screen sharing to clear your doubts. When will the classes start? From 5th September. Will I have to pay any charges for it? No, guys, no. It's absolutely free of cost. How will I get session updates and how can I contact you if I have any queries for sessions? See, for that you need to join a Discord server, and if you are already there in our Discord server, so there we have made we have made different channels so that it's easier for you to find and locate yourself wherever you should be. So there we will be creating one more channel named as Zoom classes, and there you will get all the updates regarding the classes, regarding the sessions, and there you can chat with us in case you have any issue joining the class regarding timings or any such. In suppose you are falling in any of these cases, then in that channel, Zoom classes name channel, in Discord server, I guess you there are different categories, there are different channels made. One is chat column, where then one is Apple Lab project links, Game Lab project links, giveaways, all these things. So there one more channel would be created named as Zoom classes. Now guys, don't mess it up with YouTube channel. No, channel in Discord, not in YouTube. I hope you are not, I mean, don't be confused. And if you have any problem joining the Discord server, then please inform us in the comment section. Then we'll make a group for you all in Telegram and you can join there. So suppose if you have any problem joining the Discord server, then inform us in the comment section, and then we would be creating a Telegram group as well, and we would be giving updates in both places if you have any queries joining the Discord server, which is already made. The link would be given in a description. So how to join Discord server? In the description, look out, there will be a link that join Discord server. This question, I guess many of you are thinking that what will be actually taught in the sessions. First of all, our priority will be to teach Code.org. I know many of you are already now so advanced in Code.org. So then after Code.org, we'll be moving towards Python. And after we complete Python, we will be moving ahead towards JavaScript. So this is going to be a structure of how are we going to move. Will the recordings be available and where? Yes, of course, recordings will be available because we know that at some particular moments of time, we are not free and we actually get some work. So at that time, you can watch the recording which would be available in YouTube, but classes will be held on Zoom. Remember, classes will be held in Zoom, but recordings will be available in YouTube in case you didn't join the session. What if I have any more queries later? For any more queries, ask us in the comment section and we will clear them out there within 24 hours. And if not, then mail us. Thank you.